Here's Harry going up to his shooting position around about 50 yards away. Also, we're at the end of his garden, which is massive, and he's going to be aiming at this top left stand. We're using the Bisley pellets targets, and he's going to be shooting for the top left stand one. I'm going to step back a bit, otherwise I'll get shot. Take a look at that. It's okay, it's in the black, I guess, not best shot. That one's exactly the same as his other shot. That one's shot way high, the wind come as he shot that one. Oh yeah, getting a bit closer, better shot that one. Right, now that's him out of pellets, as you see there. Around about he's had 5 shots, all in the black, good shooting. And now we walk up to Harry, shooting at the end of his garden, which is a big walk. It's Harry with Scorpion T10. Smile then, 3.